Here is the key fob on your Honda CR-V. First thing we'll do is we'll get the physical key out. So press right there on that button, like press it down, and then pull the physical key out. Now get the key and put it right over there in the small gap, right there. The key goes in there, and then once it's in there, just twist it right. That's gonna pry the key fob open. See that? Now it just comes apart. Get a small screwdriver. The trick is to get a small screwdriver. If you get a big one, too thick one, it won't fit in there. Get a small thin one and then use that to pry the battery out. Once the battery is out, let's take a look at it. The plus sign is the positive side. The battery side is CR2032. Check the link in description to buy a new one from Amazon. The negative side has no markings on it. Get the new battery and put it back in with the positive sign, the plus sign on the top. Just the way I'm showing. Push it in there. Now it's secured. Let's get the two halves together and press them together to clip it, and that is good. Now let's not forget to put the physical key back in place, slide it in and secure it, and let's try this out. This is working good, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.